Hello, I am Emma for Ease Meditation. If you are new to meditation, or you want to check in on something to do with technique, then please visit our How to Meditate section. There is lots of practical information and some personal insights from our members. Find a relaxed position. Usually try for a symmetrical, relaxed position, sitting or lying down. Today's meditation mindfulness exercise is about body awareness. In particular, we are going to think about symmetry. There is a strong relationship between symmetry and health. And now, close your eyes. Hello and welcome to this meditation. Our bodies are unique works of art, and it's good practice to take the time to express awe and gratitude for our unique vessels. Today we will be exploring the symmetry of the body and encouraging homeostasis and harmony within it. Go ahead and sit or lie down now, and begin to slow your breathing down. Nice deep inhales and nice long exhales. Pulling the air into your lungs with mindfulness and releasing it with strong intention. Now, begin to observe your body. We're going to pay attention to its beautiful symmetry and its unique way of being. Shift your awareness to your face and connect with your eye area. Notice the placement of your eyes, their shape, depth, and position. Notice your delicate eyelids and make an effort to slowly close them. Observe your protective eyelashes and eyebrows. Appreciate the symmetry of your unique eyes. Express gratitude for your nostrils and the way they bring life into your body. There is no room for judgment here, as we simply see the body for what it is and honour its many functions. Take a few deep breaths in through the nose, keeping focused attention on the nostrils, and release through the mouth, appreciating your lips and your teeth as you exhale. Notice your ears and bring awareness to their important function, taking in everything that touches them through sound. Hold your hands together, palm to palm now, and mentally trace your fingers arms and shoulders, noticing the perfect symmetry within each and expressing gratitude for these important limbs. Do the same for your beautiful, strong legs. Now, mentally follow the leg from the foot to the hip and appreciate how the legs work together to move and support your entire frame. See your body as a whole in your mind's eye, like you're viewing a 3D hologram of it. Appreciate the above, the below, the within, and the without. You are like a perfectly crafted, symmetrical flower. Your body gracefully displays the very blueprint, the sacred geometry of life. Repeat after me, in your head, my body is perfect and balanced. Again, more slowly now, my body is perfect and balanced. Truly integrate these words, this sensation, into your very being. Breathe in deeply. And breathe out slowly. My body is perfect and balanced. Continue this exercise a few more times on your own. Align yourself with gratitude as you continue to appreciate the miracle that is your body. When you are ready to end this meditation, you may open your eyes, give yourself a good stretch, and return to your surroundings, continuing your day in gentle appreciation. We have reached the end of the guided part of this meditation. Gently bring yourself back from your bubble. Come out slowly. If you want, continue meditating on your own time.